Hi, this is Audrey with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Thank you so much for tuning in and listening to me. Listen, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, please. I read all the comments and I'll answer them myself. Thank you very much. So, the intention of this video was to talk about Hostess Gifts. And I wanted to talk about Hostess Gifts because I was invited somewhere to speak on a podcast. And I went to speak on the podcast, and it's called Negroes on Pluto. I love it. Pluto stands for people like us taking over. I love it. I mean, they're great guys. Okay, so listen. I took them a hostess gift, and I put into my hostess gift all of the love, effort, and appreciation that I sincerely felt for them inviting me. But I put all of the attention into the hostess gift that I would have put into something I prepared for somebody. Like if someone called me and wanted a hostess gift, like I would do that. I would put together a fabulous hostess gift. You'd have to give me your budget, and if you don't have a budget of at least $100, then you could go get that yourself. But if you want a $100 hostess gift or something like that, I could put something together fabulous, honey. That'd be super impressive. Okay, so I took them a gift, and they were so very grateful. And I was very appreciative of their gratitude. But then I realized everybody was so shocked and surprised, and they liked the way it was presented. They didn't think that they were going to get to keep it. It was so sweet. So I said, do people know that they're supposed to take hostess gifts? And do they really, whenever anybody serves you, you're supposed to tip them. Any service. The degree of tip depends, but when your hairdresser does your hair, you're supposed to tip her if she does a good job. Anybody that performs any service on you should be tipped. They should get a gratuity. Because anybody that serves you should go over and above. They should go out of their way to get your service. So like my professionals, like my dentist, my doctor, my lawyer, people that I pay retainers, pay monthly. I actually have my dentist on retainer. Like I don't have dental insurance, but I like pay ahead of time. So I have like a credit so I can go and get whatever done because I'm paranoid about my teeth. I give them gifts for the holiday. And I give them gifts kind of like a tip, a percentage of what I've spent that year. So I might give them a gift card. I might give them a nice little gift. So I give them gifts. I might give the staff gifts. I might buy their lunch or something. And that's how I tip my professionals. Whenever somebody invites you to their home, especially, but if anybody invites you to their space, their office, their studio, and they're going to do something that in any kind of way promotes you, feeds you, enhances you, enriches you, elevates you. If you're enhanced, enriched, elevated on any level, you should want to do the same. It could be something small as a 6-pack of juice. I don't drink soda. I'm so anti-soda, but a 6-pack of juices so that while you're all together, something to drink. Bring a case of water. Be like, I didn't know what the setup was here, and I just want to make sure that everybody has some water. That's so thoughtful. Like, and everybody's doing bottled water, so take some water. Now, I would take Fiji water, a little 4-pack, something nice. Always bring something. Get in the habit of not being empty-handed. I don't care if it's a big bag of bubble gum. If you know that everybody there would appreciate it and they would enjoy it, get a big bag of bubble gum from the dollar store. Don't go anywhere empty-handed. Don't go anywhere letting people do anything for you and you don't have anything to show your gratitude. You don't have nothing to show, you better clean up. You better clean up and don't ask them. Start putting the trash. Where's the trash bags? You know, I've been at people's house. I wash the dishes. I then start putting the trash bag up. Make their life, enrich them, enhance them, elevate them, give to them. Anybody giving to you, you better give back to them in some way. It's no tit for tat. It's spirit for spirit. It's love for love. It's energy for energy. And you do it in your way. And when you get in a habit of doing it, you'll vibe and think of, oh, this will be perfect for that person. This will be perfect for this occasion. Listen, you give to people that give to you. And listen, I promise you, it's going to come back to you. It's going to beat you back over the head. You can't beat God-given. I heard that all my life. And God, the universe, you give, you do good, that good going to track you down and swallow you up, getting you back. I'm telling you. Listen, so I gave them a gift. And when they found out it was really a gift and I was leaving everything, they thought I was going to take it back. They were like, oh my God, we got to give you something. Hold on. And they went, and honey, they went over and above. They really blessed me. That's all I will say is they really blessed me. And we were all blessed. And we were blessed because we were blessing each other. But they felt like I had given to them. I had given them good energy. I had given them good words of wisdom, good interaction, good feedback. And so they wanted to bless me. And I blessed them initially. And so when I was thinking about that, I wanted to share this. I was thinking about how much, just even in that whole day, the whole week, I've just been blessed. Like, I try to beat people. I try to bless people, and I try to beat them blessing. I try to beat anybody blessing them. And I don't know if that make any sense, but you know what I'm saying. So I went to this store. It was on a little strip. It was next to the dollar store. We were in there looking at candles. And I said, what is that lady out there doing? And they said, she's selling greens. I was like, well, she came up from the country selling collards. They said she had collards, mustard, and turnips. I was like, okay. Fresh collards, mustards, and turnips, straight from the country, out the yard, and straight. I said, yes, honey, I'm here for that. So it was real windy. So I went out there because I was in the middle of a transaction. I said, because I didn't want her to pull off. I said, I want to get $15 worth. I said, how much are they? She said, $4. I said, I want to get $15 worth. I want to get 2 mustards, 2 turnips, and a bunch of collards. And I said, I'll go back in here and finish my transaction. She said, okay. I went back in. She came in and said, did you say all collards? I said, no. I told her what I said. She went out. So then I said, thank you so much. And it just blessed me to be able, then when I seen how many, okay, a bunch from the country is not the same as a bunch from the farmer's market. I got enough greens. God, I cleaned them and cut them up and bagged them and froze them before I cooked them. And I got a bag of greens for every one of my girlfriends. I'm get, look, honey, girl, here goes some greens. So everybody gonna have some greens. So so she said, wait a minute, I got something for you. You such a blessing. She runs and gets me. I'm gonna have to show it to y'all. I'm gonna have to pause this video because she goes and gets me. She said, oh, we also have fresh vegetables. I said, let me give you my card because I want all those fresh vegetables in the summertime. I want fruit. I want everything. She said, we got some fresh tangerines that just got pulled off of the tree today, right before I came. And a grapefruit that just got pulled off the tree. I said, yes, I would love that. How fresh can you get? And it's just so beautiful. Looking at it just blessed me. So I'm going to have to go get it and show you. Okay, look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh, look at this. It just came. They took it right off the tree. Oh my God, these little tangerines are so cute. Every time I look at it, I'm going to have to go ahead and peel them and eat them. But it blessed me so much. Look at this beautiful grapefruit. And it was grown in love with no fillers, no pesticides, nothing bad. Oh, no GMOs. And it smells so citrusy. It's so beautiful. And it was given to me out of love, like a genuine gesture, because she felt like I had went out of my way to like bless her and be nice to her and be kind. And she just wanted to bless me with this. And this touched me so much. It's so beautiful. And then I went that night to the podcast, and then they blessed me. But I enjoy making people happy. I enjoy making them smile. I enjoy making their day. My whole focus in life now is to enhance, elevate, and enrich. Enhance, elevate, and enrich. And I want to do more of that than the opposite. So I want to enrich more than I take away. You know what I'm saying? I want to push up more than I bring down. And so anything, any gesture, any look, any comment, any energy, any words that would take away from somebody, I don't want that in my paradigm. I don't want that in my mix at all. I don't want to have anything to do with any of that. So every day I am trying to make myself better, and everybody around me, I am really trying to make them better. And if I can't make you better, if I can't add to you, if I'm not doing something for you, I don't want to be around. I don't want to take anything away. I only want to add and amplify. I want to pump up what you got. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is you want to do that you have, I want to amplify. I don't want to take away. So I just felt so good about my day, and I wanted to talk about Hostess Gifts, but it's really a bigger sentiment and a whole bigger underlying purpose. It's kind of the concept of tithing. And what I do is I give to you first because I'm expecting the food to be good. I'm expecting the interview to go well and in my favor. I'm expecting everything to just be magnificent. So I'm saying thank you in advance. I'm coming in with gifts. I'm coming in with a good attitude. I'm coming in with a good spirit. I'm coming in with good energy to whatever situation I'm presented with, or I'm not going. So if me and you not vibing, I'm going to stay away because I only want to add. I don't want to take away. And I'm not going to let you take away from me. If I feel like you're draining me, taking too much from me, because see, I give to overflow. So my cup is full and it runneth over, I'm sharing it. When you start getting into my cup, I'm backing back. Because then I'm going to be less of who I am. And I want to be maximum Ardra at all the times. Unapologetically Ardra. If I'm not hurting you, I'm helping you, I'm being me. I don't have any regrets. Don't want to have any regrets. I'm cool. So anyway, not only do you always take a hostess gift, and I think I'm going to show some different things that I've taken as hostess gifts. Always take your host something. Wherever you go and take something. Add something to the situation. Bring something into it. Definitely bring good energy. But honey, bring some good. So you come and you want to drink. You know that every house needs toilet paper, paper towels, and some water. So that's what guests are going to use. So if you're going to use it, and heaven forbid you bringing people with you, child, y'all better bring something. I don't care if you stop at the corner store and grab a soda. Say here, and even if the people don't open it, you brung something because you going to use the restroom. You're going to eat something, drink something while you there. You bring something. You don't ever go empty-handed. No. That's like sending an old dry card. My grandma used to say, what's in here, old dry card? They could have cut a coupon or something. And honey, I used to do that all the time. I'd find good coupons that my girlfriends might like, and I would put them in their cards. Now, if I had money, I'd add money to it. But if I didn't have any money, I got you a card and I got you a good coupon for something I know you like. And honey, especially them $1 and $2 coupons. Girl, my girlfriends would be like, girl, thank you. Because if I didn't have no money, they knew I didn't have any money. But it's the extra effort. It's the love. It's the genuineness. It's the sincerity that counts. It's the, you know what I mean? It's the thought that counts. Come on, it's something coming with that. And we need to bring more to the table. We need to raise our expectations of ourselves and everybody around us. Yes, we do. You need to expect better, want better, and do better. Expect better out of yourself and everybody around you. You need to want better. You need to want it all, honey. And you need to do better. No excuses, just do it. Do better. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
Thank you. Now, let's make it happen.